Hi there, I'm Jordan Matthias. I'm an IT teacher teaching for grade 5. In this video, we are going to see what is Jamboard and what are all the elements that are there in this Jamboard that you can use during your class. So let's get started. You'll have to click on the 9 dots near your picture here and you will be you will have to After clicking over here, you will have to select Jamboard. Now I'm already here and it is not showing any of the jams here already because I haven't created any. So to just create one, on the right hand side corner, you have a plus mark. Click on that and this jam will be created. Okay, first it will be untitled. So you'll have to just give a name like so and you can start creating it. Now, Jamboard is basically an interactive whiteboard. So you can use this as a whiteboard to teach or to interact with your students. So I suggest first when you are introducing a topic and you want to use Jamboard, you can just do it on your own without giving the access to your students. And then after you explain that particular topic, and then when you want them to interact with you uh, on that topics, that time you can give them the access and they can use the same jam as you at real time. So both will be using at the same time. So it is interactive. Okay, so let's see what are all the things that are there in this Jamboard. So first of all, you have over here set background. So in this is a blank background that I'm having right now. You can either select dots or lines or this one or this one. So it's up to you, or any color that you want, particular color, or also you can insert an image as a background. So you can insert an image as well as a background. So I will be just selecting this one right now. So you can see the ruled uh, page over here. After that, we are coming to the left hand side corner here. You have this pen tool, and when you click on that pen tool you have several options and marker, highlighter, brush, and you can even select the color. So let me just show it to you. I'm selecting blue color. So this is the pen tool. Okay, so if you want a different one, click on the pen tool again and click on marker. So this is marker. All right, so next one is highlighter. So I'm just selecting this red one. So like so, okay, you can highlight something like this. And the next one is brush. You can barely see it. So you can brush something like this. To fill in the colors, you can use this. All right, after that is our erase tool. If you want to erase something, you can select that and you can erase it like so. After that, you have the select tool. We'll come to that later. After that, you have sticky note. Now, this is a very interesting one. You can click on the sticky note and you can write a question or an instruction or anything that you want the children to read that is there on your board right here. You can write over here. Suppose I'll write, hi, this is a new jam. And I'll select, I have the options to select the colors here as well as not give any color. So I will select one color, click on save, and then I can move it around. Now here we can use this select tool. Once we click on that and then we click on any element, we can select this and we can move it around. Either you can move it any way you want or expand it or minimize it. This is the max it's going, resizing. And then you have three dots here. Once when you click it, you can edit it or you can duplicate it. So if I click on duplicate, it will show me another sticky note. Now this one you can click on the three dots and edit it and change the color and then you can give another instruction or another statement over here, and you can create like so. So now if I want to write over here, what I will do, you can either double click it and I'll write this is marker. So I this is a marker, and then I'll click on over here and write brush. So when the students are seeing this, they will understand, okay, this is done by marker and this is done by the brush tool, like that. Okay, next we have add an image. Now when you click on this, you will be prompted one dialog box, and in this you can either upload your photos, or by URL you can paste the URL here, or camera, direct picture, or you can even search for images, like if I or from Google Drive or Google Photos. Now, if I click on Google Image Search, I can search for mountains. Wait, I can click on this picture and insert it. All right. So I can paste it anywhere I want. I can resize it. If I click on the three dots, I have the option to duplicate it or delete it or order it, like send it backward or send it, bring it front. So if you have two or three pictures or any other elements or sticky note or something like this, like so, you can right click it and order send backward. So the marker will come in front and the picture will go at the back. So that is the way you insert pictures. You can insert more than one picture. And then down here you have shapes. So right now it is in circle. So you click on this arrow, you will get different shapes. Okay, you can click on any one of the shape and you can draw. And now notice over here you have the color. You can insert the color and you can insert fill it also, like this. You can change the shape of it however you want to change. After that you have the text box. So if you just click on the text box and go and click anywhere that you want to write anything, so you can click on that and a text box will appear and you can write this is a picture. Okay, so you can write like this. Also, you have the options over here of the whether it's a title or subtitle or a caption, and you have the font color, limited selection of colors, but select like this. And also you have the alignment, center align, right align, and left align. Okay, and then last you have laser. Now what this laser does is when you are explaining, you can use this, click and drag it, and then it will come back. So when you are teaching, you can say, so this is a picture of a mountain. So it will not come onto the jam, but while teaching, you can just select it, and while explaining, you can use it for your explanations. Now, once it's done and you don't want to use this, you want to create another one, either you can go and click over here, you can get a different frame. Suppose you are teaching a chapter with different topics, so you can click one frame for one topic and click on this one for another topic, so that you can see that how many topics will be there over here. Also the children can, if they've been given the access, they can click on the arrows and check. Okay, after that, if you don't want this thing, you want to erase it completely, you can go to clear frame and then everything will be cleared off. Okay, I did Control Z, and here on the right hand side, this is how you share it with your students. You can go and click on the right, these three dots over here, and you can either rename it or download as a PDF, and then you share it with your children, with your students on Google Classroom or any medium that you're using to share it, share your materials. And then you can save it as an image also, or you can remove it from your Jamboard or make a copy of it. Okay. After this, you can go and click on this share button. That is where you are sharing. How that depends on how you share it with your students. Now, like so, you can insert your student's ID, and give only view access when you are explaining something to them, and you want them to only view the Jamboard and not use it and make any changes to it. So if once you're ready to give the access, you can just go and click on this and make them the editor, so they also get the permission to use your Jam. And you can send them a message like this and notify them. If you don't want to send a particular person, what you can do is, down over here you have get link. Now this is restricted, only people added can open this link. What you can do is change to anyone with the link. So now when you do this, you will get one link for the Jamboard. So you can copy this link. And now this is only in view option. So if you want children to only view it, you can keep it in this and then copy the link. And then if you want them to be the editor, and you're giving to a set of students at once, then you can click on this and then copy the link and then done. Now, this copied link, you'll have to paste it in your Google Classroom or your Zoom meeting, or whichever meeting you are in with the students. You can put that link in the chat box, and children can come over here and then they can start using this. So I hope this was useful and you got an introduction to Jamboard and some idea how to use this. If you want more ideas how to use this Jamboard and make your students interact with you during your classes, then wait for my next video, which is going to be how to use Jamboard in 10 ways. 10 ways, interactive ways that you can use Jamboard with your students will be coming out next. So click on that bell icon and subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I suggest you start working on it. If you get any ideas, I'll be more than happy to know them. So please comment down below if you have any doubts or queries, or you have anything to tell me. Please put it in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you.